Welcome you all. In this video we have to know about how to track domain name system records using the Track Domain Name System tool in cPanel. Introduction. The Track Domain Name System tool in cPanel allows you to quickly check your domain's domain name system records and routing path. This is useful for troubleshooting issues such as incorrect domain pointing, email delivery problems, DNS propagation delays, and checking if your domain is resolving to the correct IP address. You have Web Host Manager login access. You know which cPanel account you want to access. Your domain is added and active under your hosting account. Domain name system records are managed through your hosting provider or the domain's name servers are correctly set. Steps to use Track Domain Name System in cPanel. Step 1. Log in to Web Host Manager. Log in to WHM as root with the given hyperlink. Step 2. Open the cPanel account. Go to List Accounts. Search the domain. Click the cPanel icon to access the account. This will take you inside the cPanel. Step 3. Open the Track Domain Name System tool. Inside cPanel, scroll to the Domains section and click Track Domain Name System. Step 4. Perform DNS lookup. In the DNS lookup section, enter the domain name manually in the text box. Click Lookup. You will see a record, IP address, hostname, domain name system resolver information. This confirms whether your domain is pointing correctly. Conclusion. The Track DNS tool in cPanel provides a simple way to check DNS records and network routing for your domain. By accessing cPanel through Web Host Manager and using the Track DNS feature, you can quickly identify configuration issues and ensure your domain is resolving correctly. Thank you for listening. Like, subscribe and share the video. Thanks for watching this video. This video helps you know about how to track DNS records using the Track DNS tool in cPanel.